In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create permission set groups in Salesforce. This is a great skill to have, particularly if you're managing user permissions and want to streamline access controls in your Salesforce environment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and configure these groups to enhance efficiency in distributing permissions across your organization. Let's start by navigating to where we need to be. Look to the top right-hand corner of your Salesforce interface. You'll notice a gear icon there. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This action takes you into the heart of Salesforce's administrative tools, where you have a range of options for customizing and enhancing your setup. Once in the setup environment, let's focus on using the quick find search bar that makes things quite convenient. Type in Permission Set Groups, and you'll see it pop up in the search results. When you see it, click on it to move forward. Great job! Now you're in the Permission Set Groups section. Here, you'll see an option to create a new group. Click on the button labeled New Permission Set Group. This is where the organization of your permission sets begins. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a descriptive label for your new permission set group. Choose a name that clearly defines the purpose or the type of users this group will include. It's important to select a label that makes sense and is easily understandable, especially for others who might be managing these groups in the future. Once you've settled on a label, simply click the Save button. This action creates the basic framework of your permission set group. But of course, we won't stop there. Now that you've created this group, the next step involves populating it with specific permission sets. To do this, locate the Permission Sets and Groups section and click on Add Permission Sets. You'll be presented with a list of available permission sets. Here, you'll want to select those that are most applicable to the members of this new group. If you're unsure which ones to choose right now, don't worry. You can always add or remove permission sets later as your needs evolve. Once you've made your selections, click Add to include them in your group. Finally, after adding all the necessary permission sets, click Done. Congratulations! You've successfully created a permission set group in Salesforce, effectively streamlining permission management for users in your organization. This not only saves you time, but also reduces complexity as your organization grows. Creating permission set groups helps ensure that the right people have the access they need to do their work efficiently and securely. It's an essential tool for any Salesforce administrator who wants to manage user permissions systematically and effectively. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful Salesforce tips and tricks.